part 3 of our huge little yellow app haul. We are in a new location today. We are at the beach with my family on our little summer vacay, so I figured we should do a little beach theme haul for you. So starting off, we've got a couple of bathing suits and then a couple little cute little sandals for it. So first we have this adorable, like literally obsessed little Gucci bathing suit. The tags, everything are so good. Let's see, like that, so cute. I ordered a size small and I need to size up to a size medium because the girls are not fitting into this little triangle, but the quality of this one is amazing. Do size up for sure, because I think even the bottoms will be a little tight on me as well. But I'm loving the little side detail of it. So cute. Obsessed with these. Packaging just came in like a little plastic bag. Everything will be linked in my bio on my Beacons page. It will take you to my Beacons page. You will see the photo and it will take you straight to the link once you click on it. Next we have the freaking cutest little Chanel bathing suit. I love the detail on here. So cute. It's like the Terry Cloth. We have it in white, which this is a small. I think I'll be able to fit into it. My sister said the girls are not going to fit into it, but I think she'll be cute. So do with that what you will on sizing wise. These are the bottoms. They're so cute. We have it in white, and then we also have it in black as well with a little charm right here. It's so cute. I'm obsessed. So 10 out of 10 on that one as well. Those will all be linked. Shipping for everything takes about a month, so be patient when ordering, but it is so worth it. And next we have two adorable freaking sandals for the beach. Like this, literally, are you kidding me? Like, I love these so much. These are so stinking cute. Came with the box, came with the dust bag. 10 out of 10 quality on these. These are so cute. They have like the woven material right here. I got a size 39 and I am a size 8, so they do fit true to size. And then next we have the same style, just a different color, because I like to literally buy the same thing in all different colors if I love it, so I can wear it multiple times. Like, I'm loving just the plain brown little sandal, like perfect for going out after being at the beach, going for the little dinner. So cute. These are 39 as well, and they do fit true to size. So everything will be linked in my bio. It will take you to my Beacons page, like I said, and you click on it and it will take you to the product. On my Beacons page, it will have the options for the color options for you to choose. So I hope you enjoyed this haul, and I love y'all. Have an amazing summer.